Hey friends, today I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi A3. So let's get started. Here are some details on the back of the device, but I'm going to skip that. So let's quickly unbox the device. On top you will get some of the paperwork from the Xiaomi like the warranty card and guideline details for the device and the SIM ejector tool, as you can see, and with the silicone transparent case. So here it is a transparent case for the Mi A3 designed by Xiaomi, and this case has one major feature as compared to other cases in the market right now, which I will talk about later in the video. And I prefer you to use the case with your device if you don't want to spoil the back of the device. So I am really excited to see the device, so let's remove it from the box. The device in that plastic wrapping, and as you can see there's a sticker on the device which has the details. It has the 14 megapixel AI triple camera and the 4000 mAh battery with a Snapdragon 665, and the display is 6.01 inches, and there are three cameras on the back, as you can see. So the device really slim and sleek. I really like the device and the color of the device. This color is really beautiful, and the skin is really large in this price tag around. For me, I get this device around 300 bucks, as you can see, US dollar, around $300. But this device is cheaper internationally, and it has a USB type C cable, as you can see, and it has a charger which I think maybe a definitely a fast charger. I will tell you guys later in the comment section below after checking that. So I already set up the device. Now the fingerprint setups is only left. So this is my first time I am testing the fingerprint in display fingerprint sensor, so I'm really excited to test that. Now let's check it out how this fingerprint scanner is fast, so, and also in accuracy. So it's really fast in my opinion. It's like my iPhone has a fingerprint scanner, but let's see how durable is this and how much accurate it will get time to time, which I will tell you in my review. And now let's check the Android version of the device. So I guess it's running Android 9. Yes, it's really running Android 9, which is Android Pie, not the new one Android 10, which will be released later soon on this device. Now let me just show you how the speakers on this device really perform. It has a two speakers and this immersive 6.01 inches of 720p display. The quality is a little bit slightly downside, maybe a down back for this device, but still the display is really crispy and the AMOLED technology is really playing well on this device. And now the main highlight of this device is the three triple camera feature on the back. So it has a 48 megapixel camera which can record up to 4K 60 frames per second, and the second is the 8 megapixel which is normal camera, and the 2 megapixel depth sensor. And on the bottom side of this transparent case, it has the protector to protect the USB port from the dust particles, so which is really nice, and that Xiaomi included this feature in their cases. And there are three cameras, as I already told you, and the one is the ultra wide, and the one is only wide, and the third one is, which is basically the zoom in camera, or what you can say macro or something those. And selfie camera is also really great on this device. My overall lighting is not so that much bright, but the selfie came out of it, as you can see, as you saw, it's really bright. So there are three modes in the camera, and I prefer you to use this tripod with the ultra wide lens because it hangs a lot, but not the issue with the front camera sensor. It has some sort of stabilization, as you can see, but only lacks the stabilization in the ultra wide camera, so that's a sad thing. And now this device has some really great features as compared to the Mi A2. It has a headphone jack which Xiaomi removed in the Mi A2 back then, and it has the IR blaster which is constant from Mi's A2 series, and it has the dual speakers, I think, which already the previous generation also have. But the main feature is the three main triple cameras which are AI based, so that really work fast. And it has a Snapdragon 665 processor which is a AI chipset, and This device is really great, and it's basically an all-rounder, and it has a in display fingerprint scanner. So under the range of around 300 bucks, for me this device is really an all-rounder and the best device in the market right now. I will make another video on it, a review video, and there are some cool hidden features that I want to show you guys in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and until next time, peace. One thing I forgot to mention, that kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos of Xiaomi Mi A3. There are some comparison videos and some hidden features video, and some of the camera videos and review videos. So stay tuned to my channel, subscribe 9 to 5 tech, and stay tuned, hit that bell icon, and like this video if you really like this video. And if you want more videos, so also appreciate my work by liking this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, peace again.